Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic on numbers, both constants and variables. This chart provides a quick overview of the different operators that can be used. Now let's go over some examples to see how each one works. We'll begin by adding two numerical values. In between our open and close script tags, we'll create a variable called x. The value of x will be 100 plus 50. Next, we'll create our getElementById. And the ID will be the word add. Now we'll go ahead and create the paragraph that'll contain the outputted value. Okay, now let's go ahead and save our file and preview it in our web browser. And we can see that we get the value 150, which is the correct value. Now let's go ahead and perform another calculation. This time we'll add two values and multiply the result by the value of another variable. So let's go ahead and define two variables. Variable A, which will equal 3. Variable B, which will equal 20 plus 30 multiplied by A. So in this case, it'll be multiplied by 3. Now we'll just create our output. We'll call the ID add2, and we'll display the result underneath our first calculation. And we'll save the file and refresh our web browser. So here we have, once again, 150 outputted. Okay, so that would be 20 plus 30, which is 50, multiplied by 3, which equates to 150. Okay, in this next example, we'll subtract two values. We'll call the variable C, and we'll do 100 minus 50. And this time we'll give it the ID sub, and we'll output the result at the bottom of our other two calculations. And there we have it. So that's how we multiply, add, and subtract.